Liverpool Football Club, klabb bi storja fenomenali ta' suċċessi kbar u bismijiet popolari fil-logħba tal-ballun. Kien propju fl-1892 li dan il-klabb ra l-bidu tiegħu propju wara t-tilwima fil-kumitat tal-klabb rivali Everton FC. Minn hemmhekk imbagħad bdiet storja twila ta' suċċessi kemm lokalment fl-Ingilterra stess u anke globalment. Biss dan il-klabb refa' it-tazza taċ-Champions League 6 darbiet. U din is-sena wara 30 sena inkurunat dan is-suċċess kollu bir-rebħ ta' 19 il-kampjonat Ingliż fl-istorja tiegħu. Bruce Grobbelaar huwa magħruf għal numru ta' saves spettakolari li jagħmel kemm dam jilgħab ma' Liverpool. U aħna għamilna kuntatt miegħu fejn magħna qasam ftit ħsibijiet dwar ir-rebħa ta' Liverpool din is-sena tal-kampjonat Ingliż. As one of the Liverpool legends, how does it feel to see Liverpool win the league again?
It's taken a very, very long time for us to actually win that trophy. That we were so used to winning in the 80s and 90s. So, yeah, it is an absolute pleasure and a joy to watch this current team, pick up that trophy because they have shown that they have been the best team in the league this season. They were very close last season for being the best team. And so, therefore, I'm very, very thrilled that they are picking up this title this time around.
You are very well known for being quite a flamboyant player in the way you used to play, and you did quite a lot of spectacular saves during the time that you played with Liverpool. We are seeing today that this team now is also very spectacular in the way the team plays, and it's quite a joy to watch. How important do you see that it is that the team, Liverpool's team currently, gives a good show?
Look at this little Liverpool side that has been moulded by Jurgen Klopp. You'll find that he is playing the best football. He said to us 4.5 years ago that in 4 years he will win the trophy. He has done that and more because he's won the European Champions League, the World Club Championships and also the Super Cup. So in that time he's got us 4 trophies and I don't think that he's going to stop. He'll want next season to come out and make this team the best team in the league again.
Ir-rebħ ta' Liverpool tal-kampjonat Ingliż din is-sena ġabna propju fil-gżira ta' Tletoljiet fejn hawnhekk iltqajna u tkellimna mal-President tas-Supporters Club ta' Liverpool ġewwa Għawdex. Meta tara lil Henderson jolli t-tazza anke wara żmien ta' stennija, x'għadda minn ġo moħħok, x'kienet ir-reazzjoni tiegħek?
Naħseb illi kienet ħolma ta' kulħadd, jiġifieri mhux li jien biss ta' kull supporter tal-Liverpool. Speċjalment tal-Premier League, għalkemm Henderson issa din kienet ir-raba' tazza kważi f'sena, jiġifieri naħseb li għalkemm bdejna s-sora biċ-Champions League ġa Madrid li jien għalija Il-Champions League huwa l-ikbar onur li tista' tirbaħ bħala klabb, però naħseb illi nhar l-erba' is-supporters kienu iktar aċċettati minn Madrid issa wara meta Henderson rafa' il-Premier League.
Meta tkellimna ma' Bruce Grobbelaar permezz ta' Zoom huwa spiċċa l-intervista b'din il-frażi.
Listen, also, you might see me before the end of this season.
U hawnhekk ġewwa Għawdex sirna nafu x'rid ifisser biha.
When we went through the season so magnificently well, I knew that I would be back in Malta and Gozo very, very soon, and here I am. I promised the Gozoans that I'd be here when they finally won the title, so I've kept my promise, and Charlie and myself, we're going to have a good night tonight.
When you see all these passionate fans here in Malta, it's quite far away from Liverpool, but their love for the club is just phenomenal. What do you think about it?
Listen, I've been around Malta and I've seen other supporters. You know, there's Man United supporters. I went down the road today. There's a Tottenham fan with he's got a cockerel on his roof. So, but it's not like the Charlie, he's got the Shankly statue. Maltese and the Gozoans are very passionate about their football, and it doesn't matter which team that they support, because they come from the island, everybody is nice, knitted together, they know each other, but the passion of the Liverpool fans here in Malta and Gozo is something special. For me, Mr. Klopp and all his coaches, they've got a philosophy that is going to be fitting to anybody, and it's just the motto. You'll never walk alone, and we go again. And another one that Mo Salah put up, never give up.
Champions again!